Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae, right back in the saddle with yet another video. If you're a newbie, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Please take a moment to tap that like button, hit subscribe, smash that notification bell, show your girl some love so that you'll know as soon as I drop another video and become a part of the Diamond Squad. Diamonds, today I'm going to show you how I clean and sanitize my brushes. Let's get to it. All right, Diamonds, these are the brushes that we're going to be washing today. They're a mixture of face, eye brushes, and a few beauty blenders. Now, I do want to apologize really quick. The next clip is supposed to be me explaining like verbatim what I'm doing, but somehow my audio got lost. So I will do a voiceover. We'll continue with the voiceover there. But like I was saying, I use this, I do this type of deep cleaning about once every 3 to 4 months. But in between time, I like using Cinema Secrets, the makeup brush cleaner. It removes 99.9% of bacteria. It quick dries. It removes the color. So I love that for in between time. And these are the 3 things that I use. You'll need a gentle antibacterial soap, some olive oil, and a small bowl or plate. Once you have those, let's head to the kitchen. To start, I poured a $1/2 size of the Dawn's antibacterial dish soap, which is one of my faves when cleaning my brushes. And then I also used a $1/2 size of the Bertello's or Bertelli's olive oil. But olive oil really doesn't matter. You can use whatever kind you have. So now for the next step. Then I'm going to wet the brush under the lukewarm water that I have running. And then I'm going to dab it in the oil soap mixture. And then I'm going to lather it up. Now you can do one or two things. You can either use the palm of your hand or you can lather it using like a brush washing pad. Something like what I have right now. It's the pink one from Sigma Beauty. Once I feel like the brush is really clean, I'm going to rinse it off. Now I do rinse the brushes off for like 30 to 45 seconds, sometimes a minute, depending on how thick it is, because I don't want soap to be caught in the brush. It just doesn't work well when you're trying to use your makeup to have that residue in there. And then after I play with it a little while under the lukewarm water, I do squeeze it ferrule down to make sure none of that water gets into your ferrule because it will damage it and loosen up that glue. And diamonds, this is what they look like once I lay them on a towel to dry. I always lay them flat, and I also like to leave the brush end where the bristles are kind of hanging over the towel, just so it's not sitting directly on the towel. I find especially with the bigger brushes, they just don't dry quickly like that. So I definitely do that, and it takes me, this is just the first batch, it takes me a few hours to get it all done. I do take breaks in between, drink coffee, drink some wine, whatever the case may be, however I'm feeling at that moment. Diamonds, that is pretty much it for the video. I just repeat that step over and over for the gazillion brushes that I have. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video, and diamonds, until next time.